What if one blog post could do the work of 10? In today's digital world, creating content non-stop is exhausting. That is why smart marketers repurpose. One blog post can become a dozen pieces of content across email, social, podcasts, webinars, and more. Repurposing is not just a time saver. It helps you reach new audiences. It reinforces your message. It builds a consistent brand presence without starting from scratch. Let us break down how to turn one blog into a powerful content engine. First, identify the core message. What is the blog really about? Is it solving a problem, teaching something new, sharing insight? This core idea is what you carry into every repurposed format. Once you know the main point, pull out key takeaways. These are your building blocks. Each one can stand alone or support a new piece of content. Think of it as turning chapters into headlines. Now, here is how to bring that content to life. Start with email. Break your blog into bite-sized segments stacked at the inbox. Keep it skimmable. Use bullet points or short blurbs to highlight the value. Add a compelling stat or a personal story to keep it human. Always include a call to action. Ask your readers to read the full blog, reply to a question, or share on social. Email is your chance to spark a conversation. Next, social media. Take those key points and make them punchy. Choose powerful quotes or stats. Turn them into visuals. Use tools like Canva. Keep it short, bold, and scroll-stopping. Tailor each snippet for the platform. Use a quick visual and short caption for Instagram. Keep it even tighter for Twitter. On LinkedIn, go deeper. Add context or a takeaway to position yourself as a thought leader. Want to go deeper? Try a webinar. Use the blog's themes to lead a live conversation. Start with the main takeaways. Expand with real examples or case studies. Let your audience engage through polls, chats, and questions. Bring in a guest speaker to offer another perspective. Prefer audio. Turn the blog into a podcast. Each section of your blog can become its own episode. Or use the full post as a script for a solo show. Bring in guests to add depth and reach new audiences. Promote the podcast using clips or quotes pulled directly from your blog. Visual learner. Make an infographic. Highlight the most compelling data or takeaways. Summarize key tips or a step-by-step process from the blog in a clear visual layout. Share it on Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram. Infographics are easy to digest and great for brand visibility. And finally, guest content. Take the original idea and give it a new twist. Pitch guest articles to industry publications with a fresh angle or tailored advice for a specific audience. This builds authority, earns backlinks, and helps you reach completely new readers. The bottom line, repurposing your content is smart marketing. It multiplies your reach, deepens your impact, and saves you time. You do not need to create more. You just need to do more with what you already have. So take that blog, break it down, build it out. Let it work harder for your brand.